मस्त एवरीवन, मेरा नाम है प्रकाश एंड वेलकम बैक टू फिटनेस फिट चैनल एंड डे 2 ऑफ होम वर्कआउट सीरीज। तो जिम में डंबल्स और हैवी वेट उठाना स्ट्रेंथ नहीं होता है। सो द रीजन बिहाइंड द बिगनर्स डोंट डू वेल एंड अचीव दैट टारगेट्स अर्ली इज दे एक्सक्लूड द पुल-ups and push-ups from their workout and directly jump towards chest press and leg pull down. And that's why they don't have the good shoulder strength and core strength. And the reason is everyone do not have the same body type and the same strength. But if you try, you can do it. So today we're gonna learn how to do the push-ups with the proper form and stepwise. So let's start, guys. We'll start with some basic shoulder exercises. And if you don't have elastic band, we can do this exercise also with a towel. Number 1, front raise. Now we'll move towards lateral raise. And in case if you don't have elastic band, we can perform both the exercise with a bottle or anything that you can hold or lift. Now we'll learn how to do push-ups stepwise. Step number 1, we'll try on the wall push-ups. Make sure you're on toes, squeeze your stomach, go deep down and come up straight. Now step number 2, you can perform this on anything like chair or table, but make sure you go deep down and touch your chest, squeeze your stomach and come up straight. Now step number 3, knee push-ups. Now this step is very easy, but make sure you go deep down and touch your chest and come up straight. Now step number 4, this is where you actually learn how to do push-ups properly. In this you are actually doing the same thing but unilaterally. Make sure your spine is straight, body is straight, stomach is straight, come up straight up. Like this. Now we'll do the proper push-ups. Breathe out, breathe in, hold and go deep down, come up. Make sure you have squeeze your stomach inside. Slowly go down, come up. Now we'll move towards advanced level push-ups. Now while doing advanced level push-ups, make sure you're fully on your toes. Body weight should be on front. Go slow deep down. Come up very straight. Now if you have a resistance band, you can try with that also. Now we'll do decline push-ups. Make sure you go paced, movement should be very slow. And after some days, if you have built good strength, you can try this form also to make it more advanced. But make sure you have squeezed your stomach fully inside. So as we are covering the upper body, we'll train our hands more. See the form and do the same. Hope you all have learned something from this video. Any queries, please do comment in the comment sections. Take care, stay home, stay fit.